Meteorologist Lauren Whitney, and it's just going to get windier throughout the day.
Yes, that wind is just going to continue to crank up as the hours go on. It'll be pretty bad this afternoon, so we do have a first alert weather day thanks to the high fire danger for the foothills, I-25 corridor, and the mountain areas. We have low humidity, gusty wind, and of course those really strong winds. So let's take a look at where the wind stands right now. Pretty gusty in northwestern Colorado as well, and then covering many parts of the high country and eastern Colorado. Again, in the next couple of hours, these winds are just going to intensify. It's pretty bad right now. It's just only going to get worse. So as we go from Estes Park through Nederland, Blackhawk, Idaho Springs towards Berthoud Pass in Georgetown, we have winds close to 50 miles an hour in some areas. Here in Denver, south side of town, the worst right now, but Fort Collins expect in the next couple of hours for you to really pick up as well. So we have red flag warnings out there that are already in place through 6 o'clock tonight. This is the entire I-25 corridor except for a little spot of Los Animas County and into the southeastern part of the state. It is warm. It is windy. One spark can do a lot of damage out there, so make sure you are taking precautions if you are outside today. Don't flick your cigarette butts. Don't put anything outside that could potentially spark, again, because it is so dangerous out there. Taking a look at our high wind warning, this is in place for the high country and foothills, all of Larimer County, northern part of Weld County, and then into northeastern Colorado as well, and then for Cheyenne, Kit Carson, and Yuma counties out on the eastern plains, and then from El Paso County down into Los Animas County. Gusts potentially up to 90 miles an hour. So again, incredibly dangerous out there. High profile vehicle drivers, you're going to have a very tough time today. You probably already know that. Most of them are probably out driving already. Christmas decorations, holiday decorations, trash cans, make sure you're bringing that stuff in if it's not crazy windy where you're at already. You want to get that stuff in a safe spot. Right now it's 67 degrees in Denver. These winds are warming us up. 68 in Boulder, 63 in Fort Collins, 50s to the 70s out east. High country still a little bit cool out there, 28 in Steamboat, 32 in Avon. Later today, mid to upper 60s for the Front Range and Eastern Plains. The high temperature is a little tough today because these winds are warming us up, so we may see just a huge burst in warm temperatures that get us above where we're expecting to get. There's also some moisture in this. We're getting clipped by a little bit coming from the north, so some decent snowfall for the western side of the state, which is great. We'll take what we can get. We have winter weather advisories in place through 11 o'clock tonight. Near Rabbit Ears Pass, Estes Park, Grand Lake, 4 to 8 inches of snow possible. Near Steamboat, about 3 to 7. So the future cast, again, will continue to see some moisture throughout the afternoon and evening. Denver, we have a chance of a quick burst of rain coming in later tonight, probably after about 7:30, 8 o'clock, and then that will quickly be gone if we get it at all. And then tomorrow morning, there's sunshine to start the day, and then we'll see the chance of some more mountain snow coming in later on Thursday night and sticking around through Friday morning. Super 7-day forecast. It's obviously a first alert weather day for us tomorrow. We're a little bit cooler at 48, still windy, but most likely not as bad. And then we're a little bit breezy on Friday as well, but we warm back up close to 70.
All right, Lauren, thank you. Well, Christmas came